In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in systeme.io. If you're building a sales page, a webinar registration, or a course lesson, adding a video can boost engagement and clarity. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect. First, log in to your system.io account. Use a secure connection and keep your login details private. Once you're in, head to the funnels section. A funnel is the collection of pages that guides visitors from their first click to your desired action, like subscribing or purchasing. Open the funnel you want to work on so you can get to the specific page where your video should appear. Next, choose the page inside your funnel and click Edit Page. This opens the visual editor where you'll make changes. You'll see the canvas in the middle and a panel of elements on the left. This editor is drag and drop, so you can design by placing blocks exactly where you want them. Now, find the video element in the Elements panel and drag it onto the page. Drop it into the section where you want your video to appear, above the fold for maximum visibility, or further down the page if you're building towards a call to action. If you're using columns, place it inside the correct column for a clean layout. With the video element selected, paste your video URL. You can use YouTube, Vimeo, or a custom video link. For YouTube, the standard watch or share link works. For Vimeo, use the share URL. If you're using a custom link, make sure it points to a direct, reliable video file. There's no need to paste embed code, just the URL will do. A preview should load right away. If it doesn't, double check that the video is public or accessible and that the link isn't a playlist or restricted. Finally, adjust your video settings if needed. In the settings panel, you can control size, alignment, and aspect ratio. 16:9 usually looks best. You can toggle options like showing player controls, autoplay, loop, and mute. Keep in mind that many browsers block autoplay with sound, so if you enable autoplay, consider muting it. Make sure the video is responsive for mobile devices and use spacing to keep the layout tidy. For performance, YouTube or Vimeo is often the simplest choice. If you use a custom file, keep it optimized for faster loading. That's all it takes. Log in, open your funnel, edit the page, drag in the video element, paste your link, and fine-tune the settings. You're ready to showcase your content professionally inside System.io.